Hey everyone, I'm just going to walk you through the new Microsoft phonelink application. So if you go to the Microsoft Store by pressing the Start menu in the bottom left and typing in Store. Now you probably have to be on the Insider build or Windows 11 minimum in order to get the iPhone support for phonelink. But if you just type in, phone link, you're going to get this one here. And they recently, I would say in the past month, have released support for iPhone. Like, if you got Android, go ahead. I think it's even in the Windows 10 store. So I'm going to open this and kind of show you what working with. So after the first time you open the application, it's going to get you to link your phone and scan a QR code. Then it will be connected here. You can see that it's using Bluetooth, and this is on the second most recent iPhone, the 12 Pro Max, not the 13 Pro Max. You'll get your notifications on the left here, like messages, any kind of notifications. You can clear them, but you can't really go into any of these to action them, but it's good to have the notifications. You can clear all. And then when calls come in on your phone, it does, in the bottom right-hand corner of Windows, show that it's ringing, kind of like a Zoom call or Microsoft Teams call, or just like a notification in the bottom right of Windows. You can answer the call and it'll link to your phone, or you can actually answer the calls through your computer that's using your phone with Bluetooth. And that will obviously use the speaker and the microphone of your, connected laptop through Bluetooth. So your audio fidelity, quality, your mileage may vary. Other than calls, you have, your missed calls, you have your messages. And so as long as your phone is connected with Bluetooth and phonelink is on, it doesn't have to be open, because if you close it, it still goes down to the tray in the bottom right, the up chevron in the bottom right near the clock in Windows. So it doesn't really close. It kind of gets minimized to the tray. So it's still background process running. And as long as you're within Bluetooth range, all of your text messages will start flowing in here. And then you can do things like pick a friend that you have, and then you can say, "Hi, how are you?" And then you can add emojis and you can send it, and it will send through your phone. It's a great way of not looking at your phone when you're sitting at your desk, and you can stay focused on a single screen instead of context switching between two different screens, which is a productivity loss of the looking here and there. It does simplify my life, and I do appreciate now that they have the iPhone support. But if you have Android, there's no reason not to try it out and see if it's helpful for you. Some other features here, and I can show you, there is the banners that pop in from the right. You can discreetly say who it's from, start when you sign into Windows, and badges clear when I view unread items. My devices, you can add more than one device, which is great. Features, you can turn things on and off. Personalization, got to have the dark theme if you're going to stare at a screen all day long, but to each their own. It is new, and this is the current version that I have that supports iPhone. And if you're looking to get that version, if you can't, you probably just have to hit the start menu and then type in Insider. And then there's the Windows Insider program. And if you do want to get the iPhone support, maybe at the time this video is out and you want it even earlier, you're going to have to go in here and sign up for either the dev or beta, whatnot. And then you'll be able to get a little bit of an earlier build of Windows and take advantage of those new cool features as they're working out the bugs. Great feature and functionality. I do love getting my messages right there natively on my Windows 11 Alienware laptop from my iPhone. I don't have to glance at it. Calls come in. I get the extra pop-up in the bottom right-hand corner. Loving it so far. The UI is very simple. It's obviously in the early stages, and they're going to add more as the cross interoperability between Apple and Android, those APIs get expanded. So Android and Apple allow more communication between Windows. But yeah, great so far, loving it. If you do want a even better experience of linking your iPhone directly to a computer, Mac probably is the way to go, like a MacBook Pro or a Mac Mini. But just the fact that we now have this on Windows, and as you guys probably know, majority of the corporations out there, if you're working for anyone, are going to give you a Windows computer. They're not going to give you a Mac. And it's probably like, I don't know, 95% of the companies out there are just Windows through and through, unless you're at a design company or some high-end marketing agency or personal. Obviously, you're going to pick what you want. But yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.